Good morning, students, everyone. Next concept I want to explain Born-Haber cyclic. This is very important for the board exam. They're asking previously 2 marks question trees. Now, what the Born-Haber cyclic process? What it is explained? What is the mean by Born-Haber cyclic? What we will learn in this concept. Now, it is explained the Born-Haber cyclic. It is a mainly Born-Haber cycle. The advantage of state function of the substance of crystals and change in entropy uh, enthalpy to directly determine by using Born-Haber cyclics. Change in enthalpy is indirectly determined. That indirectly we can calculate enthalpy of the change in enthalpy of the system. Next one, the lattice energy of ionic compound through the process we can determine. Means lattice energy of the ionic compound nothing but crystalline substance. This crystalline substance, through the process we can determine lattice energy also we can determine by using Born-Haber cyclic process. Next one, it is a thermodynamic quantities like thermodynamic quantity quantities like ionization, enthalpy and electron gaining enthalpy. This is also called as electron affinity also EA. Electron affinity. These are also thermodynamic quantities like ionization, enthalpy, and these also we can determine by using this Born-Haber process. Let's see some example. We'll discuss. Take one example, that is take a NaCl as a ionic compound. NaCl is a ionic compound. For this ionic compound, we can explain how the NaCl formation is possible. Now we can explain. Now which from element state to element state at 25 degrees Celsius and 1 atmosphere pressure. That is Na, it is a solid, plus 1 by 2, it is a Cl2, it is a gas, to form a NaCl, that is solid formation. Now the lattice energy, is may be defined like, now in this case Na is a solid state, it converted to gas. Now this process is sublimation of sodium metal. Sublimation process, it is a sublimation process. Next one, this Na gas, it undergoing the loss of electron, become Na plus and plus electron. This is the process of ionization enthalpy of the sodium, that is Na plus, become Na plus. After this one, now Cl2, that is a 1 by 2, and Cl2 is a in the form of molecule. Now this is gas, it converted into atoms, that is a Cl. This process is called as atomization, that is the bond energies is required, that is atomization process. Atomization means molecule become atoms. Now after this one, this Cl is now gas, it is also gas only, changed into, by gaining of one electron, it becomes Cl minus in the form of gas. Their gain of electron we can call as electron affinity of Cl minus. Now last one, that is Na plus Cl minus, it is a gas state, they form NaCl plus and it is minus, they form in the form of NaCl, it is a solid. This is called as formation of lattice enthalpy or lattice energy. This is a process. Now we can discuss now with the diagram. Now by the diagram, it is a sodium, it is a solid state. Now it changed into sodium, now gas. This is a enthalpy, that is a heat enthalpy, that is sublimation process. That is plus 108 kilojoule per mole. Once again this Na is changed to Na plus by loss of electron. Now it is a ionization enthalpy can write, that is plus 496 kilojoule per mole. Here also kilojoule per mole. Now you can write as 1 by 2 Cl2. Now it is also gas, it is changed into atoms, that is a delta H dissociation, molecule changed into atoms, that is Cl, become Cl, now gas. Here the energy is required, that is plus 112 kilojoule per mole. Now this is by gain of electron, it become Cl minus, it is also gas. Now here the gain of electron we can write as electron affinity, this is minus 349 kilojoule per mole. Now here completely it's formed into NaCl is a state. Now in this case it is also changed into NaCl. Now this is called as internal energy U. It is equal 7 minus 788 kilojoule per mole. Now the total the energy here delta H formation is energy is equal to enthalpy heat formation is equal heat sublimation of heat and enthalpy of dissociation energy plus internal energy ionization enthalpy plus electron gaining enthalpy plus internal energy. Now in this one we have the values by substituting sublimation. It is a plus 108 plus, now this one is plus 112 plus is also 496 plus it's a minus, now minus 349 minus 788. Now this is energy by doing the formation of energy become minus 411 kilojoule per mole energy required, that is the lattice energy required for the formation of NaCl molecule.